Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Road Glide Ultra. This one is in Superior Blue. We've got the passenger backrest with the floorboards. The engine guards have highway pegs on them, really nice to stretch out on long rides. This bike does have ABS, front and rear as well. Smoked out turn signal lenses, beautiful chrome, and this is all on the 103 cubic inch engine. The tour pack has a luggage rack, and we also have the heated grips. And the mirrors are a nice touch. They're like the stock ones, but you can still see plenty. And miles on this bike, we are at 12,659. Again, 2016 Road Glide Ultra. Come check it out. We're open for test rides 6 days a week.